Okay, so this time around it's Georgia. The only key point that's popped up is that air rifles are legal for hunt big game only during primitive weapon hunts, primitive weapon seasons, and firearm seasons. The law was extended to July 1st, 2025 as part of state's efforts to adapt to changing hunting regulations. It is important for hunters to verify current regulations with the local state authorities to ensure compliance with the law. I pulled something else up right quick. Air guns laws have their own set of regulations separate from traditional firearms. The legal framework surrounding air gun ownership, including airsoft guns and BB guns, is crucial for enthusiasts and individuals looking to purchase these weapons. As with any state law reference, it's essential to be well informed about specific rules and regulations that apply within Georgia. Air guns are not as powerful as shotguns or firearms, but still fall under state laws for dangerous weapons. It is important to understand the specific regulations surrounding air guns possessions and usage in order to comply with the law and avoid any legal complications. I think that's it for now. If you're in Georgia, if you have any websites we could use, let us know. Got comments or tips as well, leave in the comments. But if you want me to do a more detailed video on Georgia's air rifles, leave that in the comment, and I'll see what I can do. Until next time, y'all take it easy.